In this lesson, you'll learn how to make your clients feel super special and appreciated, so quitting on you would never cross their mind, even when approached by other similar services at a lower price. Delighting and retaining your clients starts at the very beginning of their journey with you, and one of the best ways to put a smile on the faces of new clients is with a welcome pack. A great welcome pack includes an introduction from you, how your program works, maybe some workout and training terminology so your clients don't get lost, notes on gym etiquette, and training guidelines. You could even also put safety, sleep and recovery guidelines in there. It sounds like a lot of work, but don't worry, we've got you covered with a free template courtesy of the Online Trainer Academy that you can download below. Celebrating your clients publicly on social media also makes your clients feel awesome and helps to promote your business. Posting about your clients serves two purposes. First is promotion for you, and the second is motivation for your client. You could post an image such as a before and after picture or just a regular photo. You could also write about what they did to make this change and a few words about their efforts. Then you could also expand on any hardships or struggles if applicable. And then you could also include like a little motivational and excited ending to the post. How you write a post congratulating a client will be personal. Short is fine, so is long. It just depends on your personal style. Now you could also congratulate them with a personal video, a handwritten card or a postcard. Now we've touched on that, let's have a talk about gifting. To give better gifts that are more impactful and maximize the value you get per dollar spent, follow the rules from John Rulin, Cutco's all-time leading salesperson and the author of Giftology. So what we want to do is make sure that the gifts are first, they need to be the best in class. They don't have to be ridiculously expensive, but they should be the best in their class. The next thing you want to do is surprise and delight. Since you may expect a gift on your birthday, you may not be as excited as if you were to receive that same gift on a random Thursday. Also, repeated exposure. Now, ideally, your gift should be something that is not for single use, like let's say a meal. Instead, a gift should be something that the client may use often, like a kitchen knife or a monogrammed handbag. Now, each gift that you send should be specifically for the client and not come up with like bearing your logo or branding, which suggests that the gift is actually there to promote you. And what is also cool is if it benefits the inner circle. Now, if possible, give gifts that benefit the family as a whole instead of just the client. Finally, let's talk about accountability. So the first piece of the accountability pie is helping your clients celebrate their little victories along the way. This can be done in countless amounts of ways, so I'll give you a few examples now. The first thing you might want to do is mail your client a certificate and stickers. Every time that they train, tell them to put a sticker on the certificate. Also, check-ins. Get your clients to send you a photo of things like meals or maybe a post-workout selfie. Send them a thumbs up emoji in response, or send regular check-in messages throughout text or like Facebook Messenger or anything else. Also, you could use an app. Encourage your clients to use a fitness tracker or a habit app, not because you care about the data, but because it allows them to celebrate the process. And also there's other softwares that you can use. If a client is completing workouts in training software, then the process of filling it in and seeing a completed workout on their calendar is a form of celebration upon completion.